जय गुरुदेव एवरीवन। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, घुमावदार सूंड वाले, विशाल शरीर काय, करोड़ सूर्य के समान महान प्रतिभाशाली मेरे प्रभु हमेशा मेरे सारे कार्य बिना विघ्न के पूरे करे।
Hello students, I am Hiral Sojitra ma'am and I am here to discuss the next exercise of chapter number 4, that is exercise 4.14. In this exercise we will learn about capacity. Now first of all we must discuss what is capacity. So look at this. These are the different liquids and these liquids are measured in capacity. So remember this, liquids are measured in capacity. Now look at this. One water bottle is there in front of you and one mug is there. Now pour that water into the mug. See, after some time the water has been spilled out. It means कि जो कैपेसिटी वाटर बॉटल की है वो मग की नहीं है. Both of are having different capacity. So what does a capacity mean? Capacity means the amount of liquid which can be held by a container is represented its capacity. See, capacity is generally measured in liters and milliliters. Liter is bigger unit and milliliter is smaller unit. How will you write liter as small l and milliliter as small m and small l? Understood everyone? And what is the relationship between liter and milliliter? So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So 1 milliliter is equals to 1 upon 1000 liter. And if I wish to convert them in decimal, then it becomes 0.001 liter. Here are the government approved standard measurement for the capacity. For example, 100 milliliter, 200 milliliter, 500 milliliter, 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter, 10 liter likewise. Now let us see some live examples of things that we are using regularly. जैसे कि ये beverages, cold drinks. तो cold drinks are available in 1 liter, 500 milliliter, 200 milliliter capacity. Here are the cooking oil that we are using. That is also available in different capacity. For example, 1 liter, 15 liter likewise. Now we will solve the textual exercise. But before solving textual exercise, I have once again repeated the concept of capacity. So capacity is used for measuring the liquids. Liquids are generally measured in liter and milliliter. Liter is the biggest unit and milliliter is smallest unit as per your syllabus. Liter is written as small l and milliliter is written as small m and l, that is ml. What is the relationship between liter and milliliter? So 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So if we want to express the same in the decimal, then how can we write? 1 ml is equals to 1 upon 1000 liters. That is what? 0.001 liter. That is 0.001 liter. It means if we want to write the same thing in the decimal form, then after decimal point 3 digits are must. 3 digits are must. That is at the place of 10th, 100th and 1000th. सेम बिल्कुल वैसा ही है जैसे आप लोगों ने वेट में हमने डिस्कस किया, आप लोगों ने लेंथ में डिस्कस किया था, मनी में डिस्कस किया था. सेम वे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द कैपेसिटी. कैपेसिटी की एप्लीकेशन क्या है? यू मस्ट हैव सीन that milk is always purchased in liters and milliliters. You might have seen on the milk pouch that 500 ml, 1 liter, likewise. You must have seen your water bottles having some capacity. Some of you might be having water bottles of 500 ml. Some of you might be having water bottles of 1 liter, likewise. So this is what the practical application of capacity. That always liquids are measured in capacity. So let us see how the liter and milliliters are converted into decimals, because right now we are discussing decimals. So that is what the pairs of unit. When pair of unit liter and milliliters are given, then the same thing if we wish to express in decimal, then the big unit, that is liter, will come as whole number part, and ml, that is small unit, will be written in the decimal part. Decimal part में 3 digits are must, as I discussed earlier that after decimal point 3 digits are must. Same way 3 digits must be there at the place of 10th, 100th and 1000th. ये आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. ठीक है, सिर्फ यूनिट का डिफरेंस है, बाकी सेम हमें करना है जो हमने वेट में किया था, जो आप लोगों ने लेंथ में किया था, सेम इज एप्लीकेबल ओवर हियर. बट डिफरेंस क्या था कि लेंथ में मिलीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर एंड किलोमीटर्स वर देयर. इन वेट only kilogram and grams are there, and over here liters and milliliters are there. तो comparatively वेट एंड कैपेसिटी आपके लिए बहुत ही इजी रहेगा डेसिमल्स में कन्वर्ट करना, और वाइस वर्सा. वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, इफ यू आर कन्वर्टिंग द सेम नंबर इनटू डेसिमल्स, देन बिगर यूनिट दैट इज लीटर विल कम under the will be expressed as a whole number part, and milliliter, that is the smaller unit, will be expressed in the decimal part. Decimal part must have 3 digits, that is at the place of 10th, 100th and 1000th. Now let us discuss exercise 4.14, that is of capacity. In that one, first question is given, express each of the following as decimals. Over here the first question given is, you have to convert 215 milliliter into decimals. Now for decimals you require liter and milliliter, then and then only decimals conversion into decimal is possible. But over here liters are not given, so can we write 0 liter? Can we write 0 liter and 215 milliliter? Yes, we can write. Now this 0 liter will come, we have to place this 0 before the decimal point, matlab in the whole number part, and this 215 we have to put after the decimal point, that is in the decimal part. And which unit will come, liter or milliliter? Yes, it is liter. So this is your answer, 0.215 लीटर. सेम है जैसे हमने किलोग्राम्स एंड ग्राम्स में किया था. द बिगर यूनिट विल यू हैव टू राइट इन द होल नंबर पार्ट, एंड स्मॉलर यूनिट you have to write in the decimal part. Now in this milliliter 3 digits are there, so directly we can write 3 digits over here, because it is very compulsory to have 3 digits after decimal points, because 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. So ठीक है, so the answer is 0.215 liter. Same is there over here. Over here you are given 913 milliliter. Again you are not given liter, so can we write 0 liter, 913 milliliter? Yes, we can write, both are equal only. ठीक है, now we can directly write this liter part into the whole number part, 0. And 913 in the decimal part, and which unit we will write? Bigger unit, that is liter. So here is your answer, 0.913 liter. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Now the next exercise. Now the next is 30 liter and 29 milliliter. याद करो हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था, किलोग्राम्स एंड ग्राम्स में कन्वर्ट करने के टाइम पे कि अगर आपको स्मॉलर यूनिट पे 2 ही डिजिट दिए हैं तो हमें क्या करना है, बिकॉज 3 डिजिट्स तो हमें चाहिए ही चाहिए. सो कैन वी राइट 30 लीटर्स 0.29 मिलीलीटर. अभी 3 डिजिट्स हो गए, बिकॉज 0 आगे रखने से वैल्यू में कोई चेंजेस नहीं मिलेगा. सो 30 लीटर 0.29 milliliters. So now will it be easy to write the same into the decimals? Yes, it will be easy. जो भी लीटर के आगे नंबर लिखा है उसको होल नंबर पार्ट में लिख दो, then put decimal point, then write down directly 0.29. Now which unit will you place, liter or milliliter? Always bigger unit is placed. So this one is your answer, that is 30.029 liters. Rest of the question you will try by your own or we will discuss in the live class. Now the question number 2 is write each of the following in liter and milliliter. So whatever we did in question number 1, exactly we have to do reverse. मतलब vice versa things we have to do. Over here 2.3 liters are given. क्या दिया है हमें? 2.3 liters. After decimal point only 1 digit is there, but we require how many digits? We require 3 digits after decimal point. तो can we write 2.300 liter because दोनों सेम ही रहेंगे. ठीक है. Now we have 3 digits after decimal point. Okay. अभी यहाँ पे होल पार्ट में जो लिखा है उसको लीटर में एक्सप्रेस करो और डेसिमल पार्ट के पीछे जो लिखा है उसको मिलीलीटर में एक्सप्रेस करो. तो आपका आंसर होगा 2 लीटर एंड 300 मिलीलीटर. 300 मिलीलीटर. दिस इज योर आंसर. सेम वे 4.5 लीटर्स आर गिवन. तो 4.5 लीटर तो उसको भी हमें ऐसे ही कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट ओनली 1 डिजिट इज देयर, बट वी रिक्वायर 3 डिजिट. तो 4.500 लीटर. दोनों की वैल्यू सेम ही रहेगी. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट के पहले जो लिखा है उसको लीटर में एक्सप्रेस करो, डेसिमल पॉइंट के पीछे जो लिखा है उसको ml में एक्सप्रेस करो. तो योर आंसर विल बी 4 लीटर 500 मिलीलीटर. इजी, बहुत ही इजी है. थोड़ा अगर अच्छे से समझ के करोगे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. ठीक है. बट प्रैक्टिस आप लोगों को करनी पड़ेगी अपने आप से. और वीडियो अच्छे से देखना, पॉज करके देखना, तभी आपको समझ में आएगा. ठीक है. ऐसे ही देखने के लिए ही देखोगे तो कोई आपको रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा. हाउ वी हैव डन, वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. होल पार्ट में जो लिखा है दैट वी हैव टू एक्सप्रेस एज लीटर एंड डेसिमल पार्ट में जो लिखा है दैट वी हैव टू एक्सप्रेस इन मिलीलीटर. सो 4 लीटर 500 मिलीलीटर. वेरी सिंपल. Now the next question is D, 25.624 liters. Now over here directly after decimal point 3 digits are given. So we don't need to put any of the 0. Directly write 25 as liter and 624 as milliliter. So your answer will be 25 liter 624 milliliter. बहुत ही इजी है और आप लोग डेफिनेटली कर पाओगे. सो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज वी विल डिस्कस इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन हैव अ नाइस डे अहेड एंड कीप ऑन डूइंग प्रैक्टिस of each and every sum that we discussed.